Choosing a reliable mini centrifuge is crucial for ensuring accurate and efficient sample processing in the laboratory. Brand reputation and user feedback play a significant role in assessing product quality and reliability. Here are some brands known for their high-quality mini centrifuges. Top brands known for quality mini centrifuges: Enshen, Guangdong, China. Reputation: renowned for precision and durability. Features: high-speed capabilities and versatile rotor options. User feedback: positive reviews regarding ease of use and long-term reliability. Thermoscientific reputation: trusted for innovation and advanced technology. Features: advanced temperature control and programmable settings. User feedback: commended for excellent customer support and robust build quality. Heritage reputation: known for robust construction and longevity. Features: user-friendly interfaces and precise speed control. User feedback: praised for consistent performance and minimal maintenance needs. Beckman Coulter reputation: respected for high-performance laboratory equipment. Features: advanced safety features and customizable protocols. User feedback: highly rated for exceptional technical support and service. Sigma Labor Centrifugen reputation: established for reliable and efficient centrifuges. Features: wide range of rotor options and adjustable speed settings. User feedback: favorable comments on robustness and ease of maintenance. Conclusion: when choosing a mini centrifuge, consider reputable brands such as Eppendorf, Thermoscientific, Heritage, Beckman Coulter, and Sigma Labor Centrifugen. These brands are known for their quality, reliability, and user satisfaction, which are critical factors in selecting the right laboratory equipment. To learn more about mini centrifuges and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.